mo ngayon, my dear?
Decorating them!
Decorating them.
Okay. Mm.
Maybe mamaya na yung messy crepe. Maybe start with the real crepe.
Get ka nung dito. For Mavs, Dabs, and for Kenzo. Yung real one, yung messy, wag muna. Get me yung full one. Yung buo.
Get that.
Lagyan mo yung tatlong plate.
Who will have that? Who will have the butas
And
one?
I'm gonna have this.
Okay. We can have the one in the center again. I think that's the
this.
perfect crepe.
Yung choco sauce. Okay, so yan.
You want that?
Get a spoon. Get a spoon. Then, yung technique, instead of you scooping this side, ipang scoop mo tong other side. Okay? And then spread it here. Dito sa halves lang half, like half moon. Okay, do it for all three. Did it, ma'am? Some get something.
You can bring this there. I think that's too many.
I-spread mo sa other crepe house. Too much na. Dami. Yan. And then yun parang ang konti yung other one.
Because Max is on a diet.
Okay. Kay Max ba yan?
I love you, babe.
Okay, so now, next step,
Is to chop the banana.
chop the banana.
Chop the banana.
Skin, ha? Hindi ganyan. Sobrang thin naman yan. Like, ganyan. Ganun mo. Isang chop lang. Sige, ikaw na sa next. Not super thin naman. Hindi na natin matitikman yan.
Don't let it fall on the ground.
Wag super thin. Ganito lang. Yan, ganyan. Perfect lang yan. Hindi natin matitaste yan. Yan.
Baka mahulog, babe. Move mo.
Ang thin na naman yan. Wag super thin. At saka chop it. Diretso mong ganon. Hindi ganon. Diretsong ganon. Hawakan mo. Ikaw yung nagluluto eh. Diretso lang.
Yung fingers mo lang, ha?
It's okay. Kahit mataba, that's fine. Continue. Wag na ganon. Straight ganon. Okay. Okay. Straighten mo yung knife. Naka-slant yung hold mo nung knife. Isagan mo. Sige. Sige. Okay. Perfect. Now, this banana, you need to divide it sa 3. So, lagay mo yan dun sa 3. Yung spoon, lagay mo dito sa side kasi tapos ka na. Kasi mo ha, flat mo, hindi nakatayo yung banana. Hindi mo mako-close yan. Spread mo. Spread mo dito. Sa half moon. Sige. O yung iba, meron pa bang natira sa iba? Sige. Do it.
Thank you, honey.
Once you're done with
Thank you, honey.
the banana, o try mo yung banana peel, sabihin.
So no one will sleep on it.
Yeah. Now, wash ka na naman. Ang dami mo namang beses nag-wash. Ay, ayoko nga. Hot yan. Dali, dali. Hot pa. Dali, hot pa. Okay, pwede na. Pero actually, Babs, that's good. Kasi when you handle food, you always need to make sure na clean yung hands mo. Kasi may kakain ng iba niyan. Or kahit ikaw, okay? Gusto mo yung piniprepare mo clean.
Yes.
Kasi kakainin mo yun. Okay? Mamaya, nangulangot ka. Tapos nagkawa ka ng banana. Yung banana, may kulangot na. Oh, di ba?
Ew.
That's
And then
yucky.
you
Oh,
dip
now,
it.
close it. Fold mo sa half.
The sugar.
Oh, close mo muna. Hindi, sige.
Sugar on the outside.
Oh, now, hold mo to. I-move mo dito sa center. Sige, ayan. Very good. Yan. Gusto mo ba may chocolate sauce? May chocolate sauce ba tayo? Can you check?
Do you want ice cream?
Check.
Ice cream.
Get Hershey's ice cream. Put ice cream on mine, okay? I think you're looking for this, honey.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. May laman pa ba?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not that much.
Not that much. I'll get ice cream. Oh, you get it, okay. Bottom. Bottom. Can I have the other? Okay, thank you.
Careful.
Thank you.
Okay, so now...
Ken!
First is you need to put the... Yeah, that one. Meron pa ba? Wait, check mo. Parang wala. Ano?
Nilagyan mo tubig?
Wala na. So, wag mo i-squeeze ha, i-drip mo lang. Yung drip, ganito.
Tubig.
Wala na nga.
It's runny.
Wala na eh, ganyan din yung last time.
Baka matigas lang that inanormhan mo lang ng tubig
Wala
sa
na,
labas.
ganyan na rin yung last.
So, nilagyan mo na ng tubig last time.
Okay, now,
Tubig.
next is, I think this will be your favorite part.
Sugar.
Get ito. Get a small,
Say that again,
small
Kenzo.
spoon.
Sugar.
Ito pala may spoon.
Sugar.
Hold it. Ganito. I'll teach you. Get ka ng...
Spoonful? Oh.
Hindi, half lang. Gaganyan mo. Get ka sugar. Lagay mo dito and then sip slowly. Okay?
So it will be fine.
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 Yeah, Yeah, fine.
Fine.
Hoy, 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 hoy!
Huwag kang mag-uubos sa food. Ayaw nga natin may germs eh. O, taas mo, taas mo. Yan. Then, sip it gently. Like that. O, napunta na lahat dyan yung sugar. Yung dalawa pa. Sige. Sip mo lang ganon. You don't need to tap. Yan o.
This is
Spread
my
mo.
one.
Ba't puro sa center lang?
What did you say?
This is my one.
Kala ko yun yung sa'yo. Kay Mabs ba? Kaya ang dami. O, wala na sugar kay Mabs.
Because Mom is on a diet.
Ang konti na, walang lasa yan. Lagyan mo. Scoop ka pang sugar dito. Wala na, oh.
Few lang, honey.
Ito, hindi mo pinicheck eh. Ang dami na.
Release the sugar.
Thank you. Thanks, honey. Oh, wag mo na i-return.
Lagyan mo na lahat dyan. Ba't sa'yo mo nilalagay lahat? Sige. Done? You're satisfied with the sugar? Okay, lagay mo yan sa sink. Then, wag yung spoon. Mag-scoop ka ice cream. Lagay mo sa center ng prep.
Yes.
Okay. Be careful with that, ha? Medyo sharp.
Do you want that for your crepe or only for Mabs yan?
Which one do you want?
That. Thank you, honey. Oh! Can you get it? Thank you. Is it hard to dig, honey?
No.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Can I have 2 scoops?
Ba't dalawa? Maubos mo ba? After you use the ice cream, lagay mo ulit sa ref, okay? Sa freezer. Kasi magme-melt yan. Okay?
Does
Oh,
Dabs
dalawang
want
flavor
this
pa.
or not?
Yeah, sa akin chocolate.
Did I say
What's
best
cookies
of
and cream
ones?
except me?
May laman pa ba yan, honey?
Okay, that's all good.
Mm.
May laman pa ba na?
Return the ice cream sa freezer, okay, after you use it.
May laman pa ba yan, honey?
Mm.
Madami pa.
Lapit mo kasi yung ice cream sa'yo. Lapit mo.
Madami pa pala. Tigas. Put down yung ano takip. Dami ah.
Okay, then, put it sa sink.
You're good?
Return mo yung ice cream sa fridge, yung 2 ice cream.